Today, I am here with a brand new all cruelty-free subscription box, Petit Vour. It says the creme de la cruelty-free. I found this box searching for a cruelty-free box. I haven't been as happy with my Allure Beauty Box the past 2 months probably. Last month it was okay. The month before I wasn't as happy with it. It is, I think, May 8th or 9th. It's after midnight, so it's May 8th. I don't know, May 8th or 9th. At the time we were filming, it is May 9th, and I still don't have my April box. It's been a huge debacle. I do believe my April box is finally coming, but there will not be a May box. Truthfully, I decided even before there was an issue that I was kind of done with Allure Beauty Box. I had not yet canceled my order because I was just waiting to get my last one for April with the intent of canceling it afterwards. I was kind of excited to get a new box, so I did switch it away. So I kind of doubled up on the month of April, kind of. Not really, because I still have not gotten my April Allure box, which is fine. It'll come. I'll do a review on that last box. Who knows? I may go back to it, but I really wanted a box that was all cruelty-free instead of being disappointed when a non-cruelty-free box had a lot of products that were not cruelty-free, because that's just not how they advertise. The first 2 months I had that box, I believe every product was cruelty-free, so after Christmas, the boxes did definitely decline, both in the fact that they were no longer as cruelty-free. The cruelty-free products were no longer dominating, for one, but I just feel like in December and January, a lot of companies try to really pull out all the stops to get people while they're spending money. If you've ever worked in retail, you know that those months are absolutely insane. So a lot of companies will up their game a little bit while people are planning to spend money more than usual. So the Allure Beauty Box was only $15. I did actually only pay $10 for I think the first 3 or 4 months because I got it on the Christmas special. So you really can't complain about it being that cheap. It does go up to $15.99 and this is $18. If you buy multiple months at a time, you can get it down to like $15. Let's see what this says. April 2020 beauty box. With spring in full swing and summer right around the corner, we're starting to prepare for the warm weather. We're featuring powerful high-performance products that are necessities for warmer temperatures and sunny days. This month, treat yourself to a kit of refreshing, non-toxic products. A protective and hydrating face oil duo for all skin types. I don't know where the duo is because I only got one. I did. A silky smooth eyeshadow for natural color. A clean and powerful deodorant. I didn't get eyeshadow, nor did I get deodorant. And a 100% natural origin mineral sunscreen and UV protection. I actually didn't read this before. I did not get what it says, which is fine because I really do like the things. Petit Vour is the premier destination for cruelty-free beauty and lifestyle. Every beautiful thing in your Petit Vour box is expert vetted and free of animal testing, animal ingredients, and harmful toxins for the easiest transition to cruelty-free beauty. That is a really good point. If you don't know where to start, you're not familiar with cruelty-free brands, a cruelty-free subscription box is the best place to start. And I'll tell you, this one is really the best value that I've found. Usually they're a lot more expensive. This one is pretty reasonable and it has decent products. It's not just samples. It's also a mix of makeup and skincare, which a lot of the cruelty-free and vegan boxes are either or. These were all reasons that I chose it. The price, the variety, the full-size products. So let's get into it. This is Osea. I don't really know how to pronounce that. So if somebody knows, please tell me in the comments. This ultra-hydrating botanical oil restores a healthy luster to the skin. Naturally rich jojoba and sesame seed oils deliver advanced hydration while visibly reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It's a very light oil. I have not come across an oil that had this top. It's a metal ball, kind of like the old school lip glosses. This makes putting on oil so easy, especially if you're new to face oils. It's really easy to overdo it and end up clogging your pores or just looking really oily or overly moisturized. If you've done it, you know what I'm talking about. It's really easy to just put this in spots and then rub it in where you need it. I was really impressed with this. It's got a nice light citrus scent, and I definitely do see a difference in my face from using it. Between the few products that were for face, is also a toner. I've been using these for the past week. I definitely see a difference in the size of my pores. My skin is a lot dewier and looks a lot more refreshed all the time. So I guess I'll go into the toner next. This is a seaweed toner. It has aloe, kelp, and blue-green algae as some of the main ingredients. Aloe is great for your skin. It's really hydrating. It's got a lot of beneficial properties in it that help to plump and make your skin really nice and healthy. Kelp and seaweed are both really nutrient rich. Anything that grows underwater is extremely nutrient rich. I have never used a seaweed product before, but I've really wanted to, so I was so excited to see this. My toner's running out. I was literally in the market for a new toner, and then this came, so I was really thrilled to see it. Skin loves this nutrient and mineral rich toner. Made with tea tree and hyaluronic acid. Oh, that makes sense. I didn't realize this. I actually did not read this little booklet that came with it until now. With tea tree and hyaluronic acid, this hydrating toner does it all. Clears complexion, balances pH, calms skin, refines pores, and sets makeup. Hyaluronic acid is, while acid can sound scary if you're not familiar with it, hyaluronic acid is actually super hydrating and plumping. It's one of my favorite things in face masks. Formula 10.0.6 has a really, really great hydrating face mask with hyaluronic acid, which is really where I first experimented with it. But this is definitely very plumping and very invigorating to the skin. With my last toner, I was actually just experimenting with splashing it on my face as opposed to using a cotton pad. Not on purpose. A ferret stole off the top of my vanity, which they're not supposed to be up there. I do not let this happen. I didn't see it happen. Off the top of my vanity, the full bag of my cotton pads, and I just haven't made it to get any more. So I was experimenting with doing toner without them, and I was actually liking the results. So this being a spray bottle was also beneficial. I kind of spray it on and then just kind of like rub it in a little bit. It does a really, really nice job at toning the skin. I do have a skincare video that I'm hoping to film tomorrow, and both of these will be used in that video. This is a Pacifica primer with natural minerals. It's Cherry Matte Mattifying Primer, pre-makeup oil control with wild cherry extract, and it is silicone free, 100% vegan and cruelty free. This is a great cruelty free company. I've only tried a handful of products from Pacifica, but I really like everything I've tried. They do have kind of like a little bit of like a witchy vibe. They do a lot with crystals and crystal infused products, which I always really like, but a lot of natural stuff with different herbs and plants. If you have oily skin, this is supposed to be really good for you. I don't, but I still think it created a really, really nice base for my makeup. I also used a brush for my base for the first time ever. Together, I think they created just a really, really nice base. If you want to see that video, I will link that right here. The scent is really nice and light. It goes on like moisturizer. It absorbed really well and still did put a nice base layer on my skin. So if you want to see how that works, definitely check out the video. The next thing is Impeccable Skin Moisturizing Face Sunscreen. This medium coverage formula gives the skin a flawless, smooth, more youthful appearance. Made without oils or silicones, this vitamin and peptide rich moisturizer visibly reduces the signs of aging while providing SPF 30 and blue light protection. I believe for sunscreen you want a minimum of 15 on your face, and I don't do this. I'm not good about this, but a lot of dermatologists will tell you to put sunscreen on your face every day. If you're gonna do sunscreen along with your normal skincare routine, you actually want to do that very last. First off, you want it to be a full layer to protect you the best that it can. If you do it in the beginning of your skincare routine, it may actually prevent the other products from absorbing, so you always want this on top. So this is actually like a tinted moisturizer and a sunscreen from a subscription box. This is definitely the color I would have picked. It's perfect on my skin. This is literally the same exact color as my BB cream. So that matches perfectly. That was really exciting. My skin is weird. I feel like I have a lot of weird undertones, and a lot of foundation and base products are really hard to match for me. The last thing I got was the Donor Cosmetics. Oh, and by the way, this is Suntegrity. And this is Shamanuti. I don't know how to say that. If somebody can correct me, please do. This is a new brand to me, but pretty sure this is my new toner. I am in love with it. So, to the lip and cheek pod. To moisturize, plump, and condition lips. The long-lasting formula provides maximum coverage with effortless application. Really not happy about the color. I have recently got a lot of pink products to play with that came in like gift sets. I have more than I'll ever go through. In my profile, it specifically says not that I do not really want pink. There is a really nice nude color and a really nice like bronze color, which are both in my list of colors that I do like. There's a beauty profile that you fill out for this box, and pink is not on it, so I was really disappointed in this compared to the other colors I could have gotten. It's a subscription box, so you win some, you lose some. 4 out of 5 products that I'm really happy with. With 4 out of 5 cruelty-free. Quite a few are vegan, if not all of them. Cruelty-free and some vegan products for 18 bucks. 4 out of 5 I'm happy with. This I'll probably give to my mom. It does have, like from the shea butter, it's got a really nice formula, like a nice light lip gloss, but it's just not something that I will personally use. That's too bright for me to put on my cheeks, and I fear that with the consistency and my skin being sensitive, I really believe that it would make me break out. So I'm really not even gonna go there. So that's it. That is my very first Petit Vour subscription box. Cruelty-free. Most of it is vegan. Is it all vegan? No, not vegan. So that is it for my first ever Petit Vour Beauty Box. It is cruelty-free. Some of the products are vegan. Before I forget, with the Petit Vour subscription box, if you review the products that you get on their site by the 15th of the month, you'll actually get reward points for each one. And I think it equals out to like $4 a month that you can get just for your reviews. Petit Vour actually carries a full line of cruelty-free and gentle and ecological products on their site, so that is also a great place to explore if you're looking to get into more cruelty-free beauty. I am extremely happy with most that came out of the box, so I'm going to put a link below if you want to get your own Petit Vour box. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Hit that bell if you want to see all of my content, and I will see you next time. That shaking was a dog hitting my tripod with my iPhone 11 Pro Max on it. I didn't have a heart attack.